Welcome back to Yvette Glam's channel. So today I am bringing y'all a brow tutorial. I'm showing you guys how I do my brows. I know you guys didn't ask for this video, but I just want to show you guys how I do my brows. It's really simple. Guys, I know you guys seen me do my full face a bunch of times, so I just wanted to come back with a different video this time to show you guys how I do my brows. And I think I did them to perfection this time because I was showing y'all how I did my brows. So I took my time today, but I hope you guys like my brows here. Yeah. So I'm gonna quit rambling and go ahead and jump right into the video and show you guys how I do my brows. Alright guys, so yes, I did finish my face off camera. So this is my final look with my brows and lashes and everything. So I hope you guys like it. I'll give you a little up close. Yeah, I don't think I did too bad. I'm still a beginner. I'm still learning as I go. Everything is new to me except for hair. Hair is my go-to thing. You know, hair is my thing. So this makeup and fashion and stuff. Well, fashion I already had a sense for that. So yeah, but and also guys, I'm sorry that I've been gone for like 2-3 weeks. It's just a lot going on right now. Yeah, that's the only thing I can say right now. It's just I have a lot going on right now. I do work. Yeah, so it's hard for me, y'all. So just bear with me. I appreciate y'all. My channel is growing. Not as fast as I would like it to, but it is growing. And I appreciate everybody. And when I say everybody who has subscribed to me, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I cannot stress that enough. You guys keep me going. When I go to my YouTube and I see that I have gained more subscribers, it just motivates me more to do what I love doing, and learning new things and just trying to see what works best for my skin, because everybody's skin is not the same. So, and I just found out that I thought I was in between from oily to dry. No, I'm completely oily, y'all. Like, that's the reason why I be so damn shiny. And I can't understand, sometimes I can't understand, like, why the hell am I so shiny? I thought I was like, you know, neutral, you know, but no, I am oily. So, but all right, guys, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.